Hello everyone, so Widgetsmith app is finally supporting lock screen widgets. They released it in a timely manner. Everyone is just talking about this new lock screen widgets on iOS 16. So to do that, to install the widgets from Widgetsmith, you can configure these widgets first in the lock screen section of widgets tab. Lock screen widgets cannot have color but support all font choices. So here you just have widgets, and then probably you need to have iOS 16 to see this lock screen widget tab, and then you can just add this widget when it will be available here in the lock screen widget tab. And then basically you tap and hold on your screen, then you will see customize button on the bottom. Tap on that button, Widgetsmith, and then from there select widgets you have. So some select that.